Hey there, and welcome to your new communication system 3CX. If this is your first time seeing it, get ready because it's a huge upgrade. Our goal here is simple: get you comfortable and productive with it fast. So let's just jump right in.
So here's the game plan. First, we'll talk a little bit about what makes 3CX so different. Then we'll dive into the web client. That's going to be your main hub. From there, we'll get you set up on the go with the mobile apps, touch on the classic desk phone, and then we'll wrap it all up so you're good to go.
All right, first things first, what is 3CX? Well, it's way more than just a new phone on your desk. Think of it as your entire communication world, all pulled into one place to make your life, well, a whole lot easier.
So, does this sound familiar? You're juggling like 3 different apps all day. One for calls, another for video meetings, maybe Zoom, and then something else for team chat, like Slack or Teams. It's kind of chaotic, right? That's the exact headache 3CX is designed to get rid of.
And here's how it solves it. 3CX basically pulls all of that stuff into one spot. You've got amazing apps for your computer and your phone, you've got video conferencing baked right in, and you can handle all your messages. I'm talking team chat, website live chat, even WhatsApp and SMS, all from the same window. It's a total game changer.
Okay, so let's get into the most important part, the web client. Seriously, this is your new command center. It's where you're going to live, and the best part is, it's just a website. You can get to it from any browser, anywhere you have internet.
And here it is. This is what you'll see. It's pretty straightforward, right? Over on the left, you've got your main menu. Team, chat, meetings, all that good stuff. But the big area in the middle, that's your team list. And right away, you can see who's free and who's busy. Just that one little thing makes communicating so much smarter.
So let's zoom in on that little colored dot next to everyone's name. That's called presence. And honestly, it's your new best friend. Green means they're good to go, yellow means they're away, and red means do not disturb. They're in focus mode. It's like having a window in your colleague's availability before you even try to call them. No more guessing.
And this is a two-way street. You got to keep your own status up to date for your team too. And it's super easy. You just click your own little icon up in the top right, pick your status, like available or lunch, and you can even type in a little message to let people know what you're up to. Super helpful.
All right, let's switch gears and talk about handling calls. The cool thing about the web client is you can manage everything right from your browser. You don't even need a physical phone. We're going to look at 2 things you'll do all the time: transferring a call and parking a call.
Transferring a call, it's so smooth. Okay, so you're on a call, you see the transfer button. Just click that, start typing the name of the person you need, pick them from the list that pops up, and boom, that's it. The call is instantly sent over. Super professional.
Now, call parking is a little different, but it's really useful. Think of it like a public parking spot for a phone call. Instead of putting it on your personal hold, you hit park and the system gives you a spot, like SP1. Then you can just message your team and say, hey, there's a call for sales on SP1. Anyone can then dial SP1 and pick it right up.
And remember, 3CX isn't just for phone calls. The chat is built right in, so you can do your one-on-one chats, your group chats for projects, and depending on your company's setup, you can even send and receive actual SMS text messages right from this same screen. No need to pull out your personal phone.
Okay, listen up, because this is super important. If you were sending an SMS to a US number, you have to format it a specific way. You need to start with the plus symbol, then the number 1, and then the normal 10-digit phone number. So +1, area code, number. There are no shortcuts here. If you forget that +1, the message just won't go through. Period.
Okay, so what happens when you're away from your desk? That's where the mobile apps come in. And let me tell you, these apps for your iPhone or Android are not some watered-down version. They're the real deal. It's like having your entire Office extension right in your pocket, so you can literally work from anywhere.
I know what you might be thinking. Is this thing going to kill my phone battery? And the answer is no. It uses something called push notifications, so the app basically sleeps in the background. It only wakes up for a split second when a call or a message comes in to let you know. It's super efficient, so you can leave it on all day without worrying about your battery.
Getting this set up on your phone is unbelievably easy. You'll get a welcome email from your system admin. Step 1, go to your App Store and download the 3CX app. Step 2, open the app, point your camera at the QR code that's in your email or in your web client, and that's it. It sets itself up automatically. It's a one-time thing, takes maybe 30 seconds.
Now, what about the classic desk phone? If you're someone who just likes having that physical handset to grab, Don't worry, 3CX works perfectly with them, and it actually makes them a whole lot smarter. Here's the key thing to get your head around. Your desk phone, your web client, your mobile app, they aren't 3 different phone numbers. They're all connected to your one extension. So when someone calls you, everything rings. You can pick up the call on your desk phone, on your computer, or on your cell phone, whatever works for you in that moment.
And this is where your desk phone gets a pretty cool superpower. See those extra buttons on the side? Those are called BLFs, or busy lamp fields. You can program those to be shortcuts for your most contacted coworkers. But here's the magic. The little light next to the button will actually show you their status. It'll be green if they're free, and it'll turn red when they're on a call. It's that same presence feature from the web client, but right there on your desk.
And that's pretty much it. You now have a really solid idea of how to use 3CX every day. So before we wrap this up, let's just do a quick fire round of the most important things to remember. Okay, here are the big 5. Number 1, the web client is your command center. Live in it. Number 2, always update your presence status. It helps everyone. 3, setting up the mobile app is as easy as scanning a QR code. 4, for SMS to the US, it's always +1 number. Don't forget it. And finally, number 5, remember it's all one extension. Your number follows you everywhere.
So, there you have it. You're all set up with a seriously powerful toolkit to make your work life easier. The only question is, what are you going to try first? Are you going to go set up your custom status message? Maybe start a quick video meeting? Or send out that first SMS? Go ahead, jump in, and start exploring. Thanks for tuning in.